What is a paired vibrator? Can it be used by couples? Today, I'm going to show you everything you need to know. So, a paired vibrator is perfect for couples who want to enjoy the pleasures of a sex toy together. This has stimulating points for both him and for her. They look very similar in design. So today, I'm going to be showing you the Teasers paired vibrator. This is what a typical couples paired vibrator looks like. We have a slight ring at the top just here, followed by a long curved bulbous shaft at the top. Now, as mentioned before, there are many stimulating points, so let's take a look at them all together. So for her, you can insert the shaft vaginally. It also features ribbing on one side for extra stimulation during use. Now, although the shaft is not flexible, it provides wonderful vaginal and G-spot stimulation. If we take a look at the top just here, we can see there's two stimulating points at the top, which are also ribbed for maximum stimulation, and you can use those around the nipples or the clitoris as well. As you can see, there are stimulating studs on the inside of this ring, so you can use this as a masturbator and you can glide it up and down the penis for maximum penis stimulation during use. The vibrations are of course also extra stimulating. So this is a multifunctional vibrator unique for him and for her, and of course it can be used at both ends. So as well as being suitable for G-spot, vaginal, clitoral stimulation, you can also use it for external stimulation such as the nipples and other any body parts as well, but it can also be used anally and be used to stimulate the prostate too. Now with the Teasers paired vibrator, there are two motors that can be operated independently of one another. Each motor contains 7 settings. That's 4 patterns and 3 speeds. There's lots to choose from. And of course, when using a couples vibrator like this, we highly recommend to use a water-based lubricant to ensure optimal comfort during use. It's also rechargeable with a USB charging cable provided for you. Make sure to clean after every use with toy cleaner and lukewarm water for a good hygienic use. Did you find that video helpful? Why not check out our other FAQ videos in this collection? Perhaps you have a question you'd like to ask us. Why not drop your question below and we'll take a look at it for you.